Want to get in shape without needing a big home gym? These new fitness gadgets are perfect for tiny homes, giving you powerful workouts in the smallest spaces. From compact gear to smart training tools, they make staying fit easier than ever. All product links are in the description below. This gym closet delivers a full workout setup in a compact, movable unit with no wall mounting required. Inside, you get a fold-out rack, adjustable bench, pull-up and dip attachments, and a durable lifting platform. Optional weights, barbell, and a dual pulley system let you tailor it to your routine. It turns any space, indoors or outdoors, into a complete gym. Want a workout that actually feels fun? This wall-mounted music boxing machine turns your punches into a rhythm game. Sync it with your favorite playlist via Bluetooth, then follow the glowing lights to stay on beat while improving your reflexes. With 9-speed settings and built-in strike tracking, it's great for workouts, stress relief, or just showing off. Heavy legs after a long day? These compression boots bring instant relief from your feet up to your thighs. Air chambers gently squeeze and release, improving circulation and melting away tension, while soothing heat adds extra comfort around the knees and calves. With multiple modes and intensities, you can choose anything from light relaxation to deep recovery. Tired legs after a long day? This air compression massager gives your calves a professional level massage at home. It uses airbags to gently knead and squeeze, easing tension and boosting circulation. 2 heat settings add soothing warmth for extra comfort. With adjustable size and multiple modes, it fits just right and works for the whole family. Perfect for relaxing after work or a workout. Tight muscles after a workout? This 5-in-1 foam roller set has everything you need to recover like a pro. Use the hollow roller for large muscle groups, the stick for calves, and the massage ball for deep trigger points. The stretching strap helps improve flexibility and ease tension. Lightweight and portable, it all packs into one bag, perfect for home, gym, or on the go. Imagine wrapping your legs in a spa session without leaving home. This air compression massager gently squeezes your feet, calves, thighs, and even knees to melt away fatigue. 3 massage modes let you choose between relaxing pressure or a deeper recovery boost. Built-in heat soothes sore joints and keeps circulation flowing. Easy to control with a simple remote, it's pure comfort at the push of a button. Your campsite just found its new favorite seat. This hammock-style camping chair lets you sway gently while you relax, with a built-in head pillow for extra comfort. The retractable footrest adjusts or detaches so you can sit exactly how you like. A side cup holder keeps your drink close, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. It folds down into a carrying bag, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. Stiff shoulders? Aching back? This heated massage pillow brings instant relief with deep kneading 3D nodes that mimic real hands. 2 heat zones melt away tension while you relax. Choose from 3 intensity levels for the perfect pressure every time. It's compact, easy to use, and works on your neck, back, or legs. Pure comfort whenever you need it. Want to tone your thighs and core without leaving home? This compact trainer targets inner thighs, pelvic floor, and even your glutes and arms. The curved design fits comfortably while resistance springs give you an effective workout. Use it while sitting, standing, or even during a quick break at work. Simple, lightweight, and perfect for strengthening and shaping anytime, anywhere. Need a reset in the middle of a busy day? These meditation pods create a private sanctuary where you can relax, recharge, and refocus in minutes. Inside, soothing sounds, gentle lighting, and calming scents work together to quiet your mind and ease tension. Perfect for offices, hospitals, or wellness centers, they bring mindfulness to modern spaces, helping you find clarity and calm, even in the busiest environments. Your yoga mat just got an upgrade. This heated stretching mat massages while it works on your flexibility. It inflates and deflates in cycles to gently stretch your back, hips, and lumbar area, while soothing heat melts away tension. With multiple modes and adjustable intensity, you choose exactly how deep you want the relief. Fold it up when you're done, and your personal massage studio disappears in seconds. Bring the road indoors and ride like a pro. This training bike tilts from steep climbs to downhill descents, giving you the feel of real terrain without leaving your home. A massive touchscreen keeps you engaged with workouts, coaching, and even off-bike training. Handlebar shifters and real-time power output make every ride feel like the real thing. Goodbye dimples, hello smooth skin. This deep fascia massage roller targets stubborn cellulite while giving your muscles a much-needed release. The textured wheels work into the skin to boost circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. Use it on legs, thighs, or glutes for a sculpted, refreshed look. No batteries, no cords, just a simple tool you can use anytime for firmer, healthier feeling skin. Who needs a crowded gym when you've got this beast at home? This smart AI-powered machine packs a squat rack, Smith machine, cables, and more, all in one sleek setup. It adjusts resistance digitally and even gives real-time feedback for safer, smarter gains. Built-in programs guide you like a personal trainer. Full-body workouts, zero guesswork. Your entire fitness journey, right in your living room. Sore muscles don't stand a chance against this powerhouse massage gun. With 6 interchangeable heads, it tackles everything from stiff shoulders to tight calves. 9 modes and 9 intensity levels let you choose between a deep tissue workout or a gentle recovery session. The ultra-quiet motor keeps things relaxing, while the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges. Stressful day? Let your scalp melt into relaxation with this cordless Shiatsu Massager. Its soft bristles knead in 360 degrees, mimicking the feeling of real hands while boosting circulation and easing tension. You can even load essential oils into the built-in chamber, so they're applied evenly while you massage. Fully waterproof, it works just as well in the shower as it does on the couch. Meet the chair that makes gravity work in your favor. This zero-gravity lounger tilts you into the perfect ergonomic position, taking pressure off your spine and joints so you feel instantly lighter. The dense foam supports every curve of your body, with a softer cushion for your head and firmer support where you need it most. A matching pillow adds extra comfort. No assembly required, just relax and unwind. This isn't just a scale, it's your personal health dashboard. Step on and track 16 different metrics, from weight and BMI to muscle mass and heart rate. The 3D virtual body model shows real progress, not just numbers. Sync it with your favorite fitness apps for seamless tracking. It even has modes for babies and pets, so the whole family can stay on top of their goals. Warmth on demand? Yes, please. This cordless heating pad wraps around your waist and melts away tension in minutes. 3 heat levels soothe sore muscles, while gentle vibration massages ease stiffness. It heats up almost instantly and shuts off automatically for safety. No cords, no hassle. Just recharge and enjoy hours of cozy relief wherever you are. Who knew so much tech could fit on your finger? This smart ring keeps track of your steps, heart rate, sleep, and even your blood oxygen, all in real time. The tiny display shows your stats with just a tap, making it effortless to check on your health. It's waterproof, lightweight, and designed to feel like a regular ring. Wear it all day, charge it in its case, and you're set for days of tracking. Why wait for a spa day when you can make one at home? This portable bath jet turns any ordinary tub into a bubbling retreat. Choose between flowing water jets or a soft bubble mode, both with adjustable speeds to match your mood. Cordless and easy to place, it works with most tubs and cleans up in minutes. Sit back, unwind, and let the bubbles do the work. Tired, aching legs after a long day? This smart massage mat gives you instant relief. Using gentle electrical pulses, it relaxes muscles in your feet and legs, easing soreness and improving circulation. The foldable design makes it super easy to carry, and the simple LCD controller lets you adjust everything with one hand. It's waterproof, durable, and can even target shoulders or calves. Total relaxation, anytime, anywhere. Your hands deserve a break. This cordless hand massager uses gentle air compression and soothing heat to ease stiffness, fatigue, and tension from daily use. 6 different intensity levels let you find the perfect pressure, whether you need light relaxation or deeper relief. The soft inner cushion makes it comfortable for any hand size. USB rechargeable and cord-free, you can enjoy calming therapy anytime, anywhere. Movie night just got an upgrade. This recliner adjusts smoothly from upright to fully laid back, letting you read, nap, or watch TV in total comfort. 8 massage modes and 2 vibration settings target your back and lumbar area, easing away stress while you sit. A cushioned footrest adds extra relaxation, and setup takes only minutes. Small in size, big on comfort, it fits perfectly in any space. This isn't just an AB machine, it's your personal gym in one sleek chair. It targets your upper, middle, and lower abs with full range motion, plus hits your obliques with a built-in twisting seat. Spring-assisted support helps you bounce back after every rep, making it great for beginners and pros alike. You can row, curl, or tone your arms and legs using the pulley system. Lower back pain slowing you down. This smart massager is designed to target sciatica and nerve pain with precision. It combines soothing heat, gentle vibrations, and light therapy for deep tissue relief. Adjustable modes let you customize every session to your comfort. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's easy to take anywhere for on-the-go pain relief. Ever wondered what it feels like to float while getting a full-body massage? This zero-gravity recliner tilts you back into a weightless position, easing pressure on your spine while airbags and rollers work through your neck, back, arms, and legs. Add in soothing heat therapy, a deep foot massage, and even Bluetooth speakers, and you've got the ultimate relaxation station right in your living room. Transform tired feet into total relaxation with this all-in-one collapsible foot spa. Featuring soothing heat, bubbling water, massage rollers, and red light therapy, it melts away stress while softening skin with the built-in pumice stone. The compact foldable design saves space, while the wireless remote and timer settings let you enjoy a spa-like experience at home with zero hassle. Perfect for daily self-care or as a thoughtful gift. Looks like shoes, feels like a foot spa. These quirky foot-soaked shoes let you walk around while giving your feet a warm, relaxing massage. Just add a little water, hot, cold, or even milk, and your feet are fully wrapped for total comfort. Built-in massage balls hit pressure points to boost circulation. They're light, durable, and great for daily use without stopping your routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.